Well, how do it, and welcome back to the channel. Today's a nice bright and breezy Wednesday afternoon. I've just finished work, sun shining, temperature is approximately 21 degrees Celsius. It's Wednesday the 11th of June, and yeah, I've just had a nice day in the office, air-conditioned office I must add, and I thought what better way to spend the nice weather than out on the bike. So here I am. So let's enjoy this nice ride home. So I've just finished work in the Warrington area. Oh, what is this? I almost thought it was a speed camera. A revenue collector. Yeah, so just heading home to Macclesfield, back along the A50. We'll take the back roads to Macclesfield. I'm still running the bike in. I think I've got another 376 miles to do before it's ready for its first service. And it's taken me ages. I collected the bike, oh, was it back end of March, early April? I can't even remember now. But I struggle for opportunities to actually put miles on the bike. Just had loads of people visiting, and I've been busy at weekends, just haven't really had an opportunity to spend a good amount of time in the saddle. And I'll be needing to get a wriggle on, get a move on with all the miles so I can get it serviced, because I've actually decided this year that I will be going on a bike tour. I know initially I've cancelled everything, cleared my calendar for my sister who was coming out to the UK for a holiday, but she's still in the process of applying for a passport, and it'll take a good few months to get that, and it's already June, so I just thought, to hell with it. To hell with it. I'll just book I'll see if I can get on the tour with my mates. So thankfully my mates, they had a spot available. One of the lads' wife isn't well, so he's unsure if he's going to be going on tour. So yeah, I managed to slot in there nicely. So thanks very much, Brett, if you're watching. Thank you. Yeah, so heading over to Germany, back end of August. Should be a nice little run. I'll have to have a look to see the route. I know it's been sent out to me, but I just can't recall it. It looks interesting, and it's always good to get away with your mates. I know this year it's only for a week. Generally we go for 2 weeks. It's a bit of a shorter tour coming up at the end of this year, and I just I'm thankful that I was able to get a spot there. So brilliant. Jeez, there's quite a few bikes out today. The weather hasn't been terribly good these past few weeks. The last 2 weeks I've had my son come up recently to come and visit, and although the weather was okay on the Saturday for the barbecue, the weather was quite foul on Sunday. It was 2 weeks ago? Yeah, 2 weekends ago. I've lost all track of time because it would have been so foul. Just been stuck indoors, so yeah, definitely a good relief for us to get out on the bike, get out and back, just was to work and back, even if it's only for a few miles. My commute to work, round trip is about 50 miles, just over 50 miles, and that's if I don't go and pick up one of my co-workers. If I go to the site, then the commute is 2 miles, something like that. So yeah, this is a decent little commute, just going up to Virtual, to the design office, project office I should say. Not too far away. So yeah, 25 miles each way, including the back roads. well here, Lee. The one time when I was exceeding the speed limit, I had to come and do a speed awareness course here. This is Lee that we're just going through. Saw the signage there, Knutsford. I just realised that when I go to work in the mornings, the sun's behind me, and then when I return home in the evenings, again the sun is behind me. So I just realised that this rear-facing camera, it might be just blurred out with the sun. So fingers crossed. I do have an ND filter on it. I'm still running the GoPro. Careful there, it's the Tesla. Still running the GoPro as a secondary rear-facing camera. I do have intentions to change it out. I've got a DJI Osmo Action 4 on my chin. It's also got an ND filter. And my intention is to eventually replace the GoPro with the DJI Osmo Action 5. The Osmo Action 4 that I've got on my chin, it has been superb. I think only the one time it gave me a bit of a jip, but I think that's from my own fat fingers. I wasn't sure if I was recording or not, and I kept starting, stopping. But that was the only time where I seemed to have an issue. Otherwise, it has been perfect. So definitely, and if you're ever in the market for getting yourselves a little action camera to do some motor vlogging, I definitely recommend the DJI Osmo Action series. Here's the van. Counts quite high today. What? Hotel and spa. Yeah, pollen count is quite high today, so my eyes have been streaming. I was going to have to take this fella. Stops. 40 miles per hour from here on to Knutsford, and unfortunately, put your indicators on the last one. Please like to sit there on that little corner of grass there that we just went past. I like to catch people speeding here in this area. Generally there's one sitting there catching the traffic going towards Warrington. And I have also seen another speed camera. What do they call them nowadays? Safety cameras. I don't think they're safety cameras. I think they're just revenue generating cameras. Yeah, the other one normally stands here in the mornings catching people again going towards Warrington. I can't remember where he parks his van, but you only see it after we've been past the fella standing there with his radar gun. So yeah, welcome to Knutsford. We're just on the outskirts of Knutsford. You can see the heath there. Normally they have the circus there on the heath. And I'm surprised it's now just gone 6 PM. I'm surprised there's so little traffic. Generally here going through Knutsford there's always loads of traffic, but I think because the weather's been so great today, I believe everybody's probably gone home early, wanting to enjoy the last little bits of sunshine today after a hard day at work. It's the Overfinch garage. sales room. Just skirting outside the busy parts of Knutsford. We're on the A50. It's a nice place here. We go past the courthouse. I always thought that was the town hall for Knutsford. And there's the cinema on the left hand side that says Curzon. Down to the left where the train station is, and it gets busy down there. Yep, it's busy. Alright, so I'll end this one here and then I'll do the next session. We're going through the farm road back to Knutsford. So yeah, take care and we'll catch you on the other side. Ciao for now, bye.